I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into Roblox and going straight to Settings, then Security. Once there, make sure your account email is verified and your phone is accessible. These are required to receive codes. You want to use a desktop or the Roblox app for the clearest interface. After confirming your contact methods, click the two-step verification option to begin the setup process. This first step ensures Roblox can send authentication codes and prevents accidental lockouts later. Next, select whether to use an authenticator app or SMS. If you pick an authenticator app, open it, scan the QR code Roblox displays, or type the manual key into the app. If you choose SMS, add and confirm your phone number to receive texts. Once your method is added, Roblox will ask for a 6-digit code. Type it exactly and submit to verify. Once done, the service links that second factor to your account, creating the extra security layer you need. To finish, save any backup codes Roblox provides and store them somewhere safe so you can regain access if your phone is lost. Once saved, sign out and sign back in to test that the two-step verification prompts appear and accept your code. Make sure to add a secondary phone or authenticator if possible, then update trusted devices. If anything goes wrong, use a backup code or contact Roblox support for account recovery. Keeping backup codes is the simplest way to avoid lengthy support waits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.